Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The Best Play Teacher set is probably one of the most engaging and educational toys you can get for your child, offering a fantastic opportunity for imaginative play and learning about the world around them. This set transforms playtime into a dynamic classroom experience, allowing kids to step into the role of a teacher, fostering creativity, communication skills, and a love for learning in a fun and interactive way. It's designed to spark curiosity and encourage children to explore different subjects and teaching methods, making it a valuable addition to any toy collection. Number 5. Learning Resources Pretend and Play Calculator Cash Register Toy. This interactive toy makes learning math exciting. It helps children practice essential skills like addition and subtraction while they enjoy playing store. It features a solar-powered calculator, a cash drawer that makes a real ka-ching sound, and a credit card swiper. These elements create an engaging pretend play experience. This set comes with 73 pieces, including realistic play money and coins. It also includes a pretend credit card for added fun. Beyond math, it helps children build fine motor abilities and social skills. They can also enhance their vocabulary and creative thinking through imaginative play. Constructed from high-quality materials, it's built to last. The large buttons and sturdy design are perfect for little hands and enthusiastic play. What we like? This toy makes learning math engaging and fun. It features a working calculator and includes a complete money set for realistic play. If you are looking for a toy that combines education with imaginative play, especially for children who enjoy shopping scenarios, this is a great choice. What people say. The set includes a variety of realistic-looking doctor's tools like a stethoscope, thermometer, and syringe, allowing for imaginative play. The pieces are made of durable, child-safe plastic and are sized perfectly for little hands to hold and manipulate. It comes with a convenient carrying case, making it easy to store and transport the set for playdates or travel. Number 4. Melissa and Doug Super Smile Dentist Play Set. Get ready for a fun dental adventure. This play set comes with everything your child needs to pretend to be a dentist, including oversized teeth and big, easy-to-use tools. It features a vibrating drill, a polisher, and even fun accessories like cavity stickers and braces. It's just like a real dental office, but for playtime. Kids can practice cleaning teeth, putting on braces, and even pretend to do extractions. These high-quality toys help develop important skills like counting and hand-eye coordination. This set teaches children about dental hygiene in a fun and engaging way. It promotes screen-free play, encouraging active imagination and learning. Looking for a birthday or holiday gift? This educational toy is a wonderful choice for any occasion. It's a great way to celebrate milestones and encourage learning. For over 35 years, Melissa and Doug has been inspiring imaginative play. Our toys encourage creativity and learning for children of all ages. What we like? This set offers a realistic dental experience with fun, oversized tools. It includes a vibrating drill and even features for applying braces. If your child is curious about the dentist or enjoys role-playing medical scenarios, this is perfect for them to learn about dental hygiene in a playful way. What people say. The quality of this set is excellent. Everything feels sturdy and durable, perfect for young hands. The pieces are well made, and I love that they are all safe and non-toxic. The set includes a variety of dental tools, a toothbrush, and even a patient chart, which provides an engaging and educational experience for kids. The oversized teeth are a huge hit and make it easy for kids to understand brushing, flossing, and basic dental care. The 25 pieces provide everything they need to pretend they are real dentists, from tools to charts, and each item is sturdy and well made. Number 3. Melissa and Doug School Time Classroom Play Set. Step into a world of learning with this fun classroom play set. You can be the teacher or the student, creating your own school adventures. This set comes with everything you need to set up your classroom. It includes reusable stickers, pattern blocks, a bell, a timer, and even a storybook. With 2 double-sided boards and dry erase markers, the possibilities for learning and creativity are endless. Draw, write, and play all day long. When playtime is over, all the pieces conveniently store inside the box. This makes it perfect for taking the fun with you anywhere. This makes a wonderful gift for children aged 4 to 8. It encourages hands-on, screen-free play and supports responsible forestry. What we like. This set creates an immersive classroom environment for imaginative play. It comes with a large number of reusable stickers and a lesson plan guide for extended fun. If you have a child who loves to teach or be taught, and enjoys hands-on, screen-free activities, this is an excellent option for fostering creativity and learning. What people say. This is a great toy for kids to learn about different professions and develop their imagination. The set includes a variety of accessories that are realistic and engaging for children. It's a durable and well-made toy that can withstand rough play. Number 2. Montessori Kitchen Toys for Toddlers, Real Cooking Set. Introducing a fun and safe way for your toddler to explore the joy of cooking. This set is designed for little hands to safely mimic real cooking activities. This comprehensive set includes a variety of tools like wooden and stainless steel knives, cutting boards, peelers, and cutters. It has everything your child needs to get creative in the kitchen. Crafted from healthy, non-toxic, BPA-free materials like wood, stainless steel, and food-grade polypropylene, these tools are designed for safety. They are durable and won't easily break, ensuring worry-free playtime. With cute crocodile patterns and ergonomic designs, these tools are engaging and comfortable to use. They are perfect for cutting soft fruits and vegetables, stimulating your child's imagination and interest in cooking. Encourage creativity and hands-on ability as your child cooks alongside you. This set helps them learn by imitation, fostering independence and improving their fine motor skills. Create lasting memories by cooking together. This kitchen set provides a wonderful opportunity to strengthen parent-child relationships while teaching valuable life skills and healthy habits. What we like. This toy provides a realistic cooking experience with safe, child-friendly materials. It includes a variety of tools and features cute, engaging patterns. If you want to encourage your child's culinary creativity and improve their hands-on skills in a safe kitchen environment, this set is ideal for them to imitate adult activities. What people say. The set includes a variety of realistic-looking play food items, such as fruits, vegetables, and baked goods, allowing for imaginative role-playing. The durable plastic construction ensures that the play food can withstand rough play and last for a long time. The pieces are sized perfectly for little hands to grasp and manipulate, promoting fine motor skill development. Number 1. Melissa and Doug's Star Diner Restaurant Play Space. Step into the exciting world of the Star Diner. This amazing wooden play space offers endless fun for your little ones. On one side, discover a fully equipped kitchen with an oven, stovetop, grill, and even a fridge. On the other, cozy booth seating awaits for a delightful dining experience. The kitchen is packed with interactive features like a drink dispenser and a milkshake mixer. It's designed for imaginative culinary adventures. The booth side comes complete with a jukebox, a spinning cake plate, and a special shelf for holding orders. It's perfect for role-playing as diner patrons. This play space is ideal for preschoolers aged 3 to 6. It encourages hands-on, screen-free play and sparks creativity. Looking for a special gift? This diner play space is a fantastic choice for birthdays or holidays, providing hours of engaging entertainment. What we like. This offers a complete diner experience with a kitchen and seating area. It includes fun features like a milkshake mixer and booth seating for interactive play. If you're looking for a comprehensive role-playing toy that allows children to engage in imaginative restaurant scenarios, this is a fantastic choice for hours of screen-free fun. What people say. The set includes a variety of realistic-looking play food items like fruits, vegetables, and baked goods, allowing for imaginative meal preparation. Durable and safe materials are used, ensuring the toys can withstand rough play and are free from harmful chemicals. The pieces are sized perfectly for little hands to grasp and manipulate, promoting fine motor skill development. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.